Stop making video.
Okay, this gadget here is a flashlight that has a little generator in it. When you shake it, it charges up a little capacitor gadget and produces a light. Unfortunately, that darn thing is not very bright. Let's see if I can get in closely, and you can see that there is a magnet that slides in and out of the coil that's producing a voltage. I also put a little lanyard on the bottom of it too. This was popular about 10 years ago, I believe, back in the 2010s, and it was designed to be a kind of flashlight that didn't need batteries. There's a little capacitor in the front there, and that black thing is a stop, so it's got a stop on each end, so that when the magnet goes through, it bounces off the stop like that. But in the front there's a capacitor thingy, and of course there's a little switch on top. Now this sounds like a good idea. I mean, it produces light and all that, but there are quite a few downfalls to this. Excuse me. One of these downfalls is that a flashlight like this, it takes about a minute of shaking before the capacitor inside it gets up to speed. Another downfall is that there's a magnetic field, so anything that's triggered by magnet or attracted by a magnet will be affected. I've heard of people whose locators, when they're out in the bush, I forget what they're called. Anyway, they were set off by the magnet in a little flashlight like this. Its light is actually pretty dim. Let's see if I can shine it on my face here. Yeah, it's not very bright. When you compare it to a battery-powered flashlight like this, ooh, definitely a lot brighter. But it's got a very efficient low-voltage LED inside this. Let's turn this off. So that's what makes it run, but it also is rather inefficient. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this flashlight that I bought about 10 years ago. It's if you're in total darkness, it'll help. But let's face it, a lot of times the power goes out and you already know where your LED lights are and whatever. And in camping, of course, if you want to go to the bathroom and the battery or the capacitor is kaput, you have to stand there and shake it for a minute and hope that you can hang on until it charges up. So it gives you just enough light to see where you're going. Anyway, that's all from this video. So please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think too. This is Bruce Victor Echo 6 X-Ray Tango Charlie.